Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Now listen, this has been in my fridge for 6 months. For all I know, they have gone out of business by now. But I'm still gonna review this mofo because, you know, we're just on the lake today, chilling. It's beautiful, we're having fun. We're living our best life, you know? And we're in Tennessee where you don't have state income tax. That's how you can own a hillbilly pontoon boat like that, even on my meager YouTube income. So anyway, this is vodka sparkling water, pineapple mango flavor. And I like the play on words marketing that they use, social light, L-I-T-E though. Like as if you're a social magnate or a person of interest in the social community because you drink this vodka booze soda, essentially. Let's try it out. I mean, it is good. For whatever it's worth, the marketing is good though. I mean, it's cute. Skinny can, it makes you feel skinnier when you drink it. Let's give this a try. Oh. Right off the bat, I would say no. Let me try it again. I don't... I guess it's the mango. I don't know what it is. I just don't like about it.
You're an alcoholic. You like most everything.
I mean, you know. Now, it's very definitely light. Like, it's one carbohydrate, only 80 calories, gluten-free, and artisan vodka. That's on the label. That's worth it. That's worth at least an extra 50 cents because it says artisan on the label. But I will not buy this product again. I cannot recommend this product. If you watch a lot of my videos, which I hope you do, you will see that I recommend probably at least 70 to 80% of the products that I try. I'm not even going to finish this one. I'm going to give it to the turtles in the lake. Turtle time. Because it's not good. The flavor is it's not bad.
It is 6 months old.
Now it is 6 months old. Now I don't know if it aged very well in my fridge or not. But anyway, you know the drill. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day.
Hit the bell.
And ring the bell. Hit the bell for notifications if you want to be notified when you're at work that I've posted another completely pointless, poorly produced food, booze, and gear review video. Thank you.